right, today is day 8 because I did a 7.5.
Is it? Okay, that's right.
Yeah.
While I was gone.
Yeah. And today we are pruning
Pruning.
flowers back,
Yep.
and we're gonna see how long they last in water for because so we can not kill the wedding flowers.
Yes. But we have an abundance of flowers compared to May 31st or 30th when we did the first one.
Definitely.
Sunflowers are coming up, which is very exciting. And so if you get shots of the garden, you'll also see 7 or 8 foot tall grass that's not supposed to be there. And it's not corn. So
yeah, it looks like it.
It looks like corn. It's a mess.
We'll throw that in here too. But
yeah, so
we've
we got work to do.
Yeah, it's getting late. All right, there's the tall grass.
Oh.
It's not corn. And then here's the little flowers that we need to cut.
You gotta trim those.
Oh, we have more along next to the corn. That's not corn.
Did you see these morning glories? How pretty they are. Next to our corn. Do you remember the movie Children of the Corn? Or book?
I never saw it.
It was creepy.
All right, here's our first pick.
Yep.
I think we,
Not bad for a...
I guess there's one more I need to pick, but look at all those.
I think we have an abundance.
Yeah.
So let's pray for good watering between now and September.
Yep. Yep. And we're gonna try and make makeshift bouquet or little centerpiece things.
Yep.
Just kind of set them in there and see how long they last for, so we can really do all of this on our own.
I know it.
But they're very pretty. So, all right.
Bye.